Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam.
Translation. In fixing his mind on the eternal form of the Lord, the yogi should not take a collective view of all his limbs, but should fix the mind on each individual limb of the Lord.
Tasmin labdha padam chityam sarva bhayava samasvitam vilakshay katra sangjujyat angi bhagavato mani. So, as we have explained many times, that this Achamurti, the rascal class of man, they cannot understand Achamurti. They think that they are worshipping idol. Even amongst the Hindus, there are so-called followers of Vedas. They also say that what is the necessity of worshipping deity in the temple. They made very vigorous propaganda in India to stop temple worship. For a short time it has got some reaction, but now it is finished. This rascal propaganda not to worship the deity in the temple is finished. Nobody cares for it. They think that God is everywhere except in the temple. That is their view. And God is everywhere, why not in the temple? No, that is their poor fund of knowledge, they cannot accommodate. No. God is everywhere, but not in the temple. This is their intelligence, rascals. So, we have to follow therefore Acharya. Acharyavan Purusha Veda. One who has accepted Acharya, one who knows the Shastra and practically behaves according to the regulation of Shastra, he is called Acharya. Achinati Shastra. So, all the Acharyas in India, there are many, thousands and thousands of temples, very, very big temples, especially in South India. Some of them you have seen. Each temple is like a big fort. So, all these temples were established by the Acharyas. Not that the people whimsically established. No. Still, there is very prominent temple, Balaji temple, Tirupati, Tirumala. People are going, and the daily collection is more than 1 lakh of rupees. Still, although they have been propagated so vigorously not to visit temples, but people, that is the birthright in India. They are automatically Krishna conscious. Automatically. Therefore all the demigods, they also desire to take birth in India. Automatically. So the temple worship is essential. Those who are against temple worship, deity worship, they are not very intelligent class of men, foolish, mudha, again, the same word. Namang duskitinam mudha prapadante naradhama maya apurita jnana asuri bhavavas. Maya apurita jnana. They are talking very big words that God is everywhere, but they are forbidding temple worship. Apurita jnana. The knowledge is imperfect. A common man can say, if God is everywhere, why not in the temple?
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama.